So right around the base of this palm tree, we're getting a huge amount of water coming out right in this area where all the bees are, of course. We'll see it here in a minute. I think it's actually coming from the base of this emitter where the PVC is, and it's traveling over here. More than likely, we're gonna have to reroute the pipe around the tree, reconnect. So we'll see what happens, but there it comes. And you'll see it gets pretty bad. It takes about 30 seconds or so to get over there, so I think it's traveling quite a ways. So again, this is where I'm at. Unfortunately, it's gonna be a tough day today, so we'll show you the steps. Okay, so this is a prime reason why you should consider hiring a professional to do repairs. I was actually able to get this figured out already, and it didn't take me long. So I found the pipe here. I was able to cap it and stop the water from going this way. I found that there was already a drip conversion there that's feeding this palm tree that aloe, and that's all I'm concerned about up here. So I was essentially able to stop the water from coming this way because it ended here anyways, cut it off, and we still had water flow to the rest of the drip system. So look at the amount of digging that was done. Not much. I didn't have to dig up the whole yard and this whole section. So easy to fix, easy to put back together like it never happened. So good reason to hire professionals to do irrigation repairs, because we know how this stuff's put in and we're able to fix it easier than someone who doesn't. So thanks for watching. We're out here in Indio today. We're gonna keep going with the other part of this project and wrap it up.